What's up, man? I'm Kevin Shepard Jr., the Assistant Campus Director here at Tidewater Tech, and I'm here to give you a tour of our campus. So you come on with me. So here is where the magic starts off, admissions. All of our admissions reps are in here and are fully trained and ready to go on what it is to bring in potential students into our campus and helping them find a career that's a fit for them. Now in here you will find our Learning Resource Center. We wanted a space for students to use like the Learn Network and also find other resources and materials to help them be successful in the classroom. And here's our Student Services office. Student Services is the heartbeat of student life here. They put on events all week, every week, to help promote and help students. So we're dedicating each week to a different aspect, whether it's educating or simply helping people find coping mechanisms for people that they know personally that are going through it. This is our student market. Students, faculty, and staff are able to come in here and take part. It's refilled every morning, so there's a brand new stock of stuff every day. And this lovely office is our career services. They work with our students from the time they become an enrolled student all the way out, helping them with soft skills, resume building, interview prep, and also helping them find a job in the career that they aspire to out of their program. Hey, Jonesy. Jonesy is our campus maintenance. So in our building and construction trades program, students learn about tiling, flooring, and every aspect that comes with keeping up the home and the house. So as you can see, they also do some work on roofing and making that a vital aspect of the program. They work on building up these fixtures and also tearing them down so that the next set of students can come in and rebuild it up to where it needs to be. Now, as you can see, our students have currently worked on this right here, where we have inserted a shower and tub, a sink, and we'll also be adding an in-house bathroom. What's up, man? And then over here, as you can see, is kitchen appliances, where we have dishwashers, the sink, and we'll soon be adding the stove and microwave to add on top. Here is the place where our veteran students, who are about 40% of our population, get to come in and lounge and relax in a space dedicated to them. And we also have a special aspect in here. We have our closet. So in this closet, students are able to come and pick any clothing item they need, whether it's for an interview. We want to make sure our students have that necessity. Here is the student lounge. Some of the events are held in here, where we have speakers come out to speak on the different topics, or we just have fun events. Hey, Mr. Harkins. And so now in this lab, you see our HVAC students hard at work, working on the different units and systems that people use in their everyday house, as well as everyday business. This is the second part of the HVAC lab, the refrigeration lab. In this lab, students are also able to work on the different equipment that's used in commercial and residential. One neat thing that we have our very own ice cream machine. And it's much better than your McDonald's, your Chick-fil-A, or any of those other ice cream places you have. And we pick and choose when we keep to have it open and when we keep it to have it closed. All right, so now we're gonna get out to our HVAC lab and go into the auto technician lab. So just as times are changing, so are we in our program. So our curriculum has kind of converted to working on hybrid vehicles. It's a new time, a new living in 2022. So we want to make sure our students are up to par on the curriculum when it comes to driving and maintaining hybrid vehicles as well. And then as we walk, you'll continue to see some of our students doing the day-to-day upkeep when it comes to vehicles, whether it's oil change, suspension, brake and tire repair. You have it all going on here. Students learn it from the front end to the rear end of the vehicle and how to keep it up and going. Here's one of our tool rooms. Our tool room clerk, Taquisha, she does a phenomenal job with upkeeping and organizing all tools as they're checked in and checked out, whether it's by students or faculty. One thing we love to do is promote our students. So as our students are obtaining different certifications in their programs, we like to broadcast them and make them a well big thing. We have student awards every module where we recognize students for their great attendance and their great academic efforts, as well as what they achieve when it comes to their certification. So we truly care about them more than just being a student, but also a professional.
Speaking of students.
Yes, these are some wonderful auto students here. So here is our combination welding lab. We have over 50 plus booths here where students are able to really dig and dive into concepts of welding and take it from in the lab out into the work field. So we also have an outside aspect of our welding lab. So students are able to come out here and do their practice and do their course and get that experience that'll help them be multifaceted no matter the environment that they're in. Hey, how y'all doing? Good. Hey. In our combination maritime welding lab, students are able to get an advanced hand-on welding. It's an extension of our combination welding program. The booths are similar and set up the same, while taking away key fundamentals that'll push them a step further in being a welding professional. Our campus executive director, Paula Massey, who helps keep this entire campus together and functioning as they should. She cares deeply about not only the staff, faculty, and students, but she cares about us outside the professional realm and personally in our lives. So making sure that we are on the accord and doing what needs to be done to get our personal things done. And then here, it's Paula Massey.
Hi, how are you? So good to see you. How much? How did you go?
And that is a wrap on Tidewater Tech. How'd you like it?
That was awesome, man. Thank you.
Good. Feel free to come by anytime.